In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use SAP Marketing Cloud to identify the right audience for your campaign and reach them at the perfect moment. Starting with data analysis of a section of your target group, you'll gather the information you need to launch a focused campaign that cuts unnecessary spend while also generating relevant conversations. Here, the buying propensity score shows you individuals who are ready to buy now, so you can send tailored marketing messages to the right people. Again, keeping everything relevant to the audience, you can make sure those emails only go to individuals who are likely to read them. It also gives you the opportunity to be intuitive. Visual tools such as the global map and real-time tag cloud mean you can see where a segment is and what they're interested in. Plus, with simple drag and drop, you can also segment by age, spend, and propensity to buy. You can also create multi-message, multi-channel campaigns across email, SMS, social media, and paid search. Plus, you can, of course, set up automated campaigns. All this triggered by ongoing monitoring of customer behavior. By understanding your marketing campaign's effectiveness in real time, you can make mid-campaign tweaks to improve ROI. Grounded in real-time insights and data, your marketing campaigns will be more relevant and drive revenue by creating meaningful, ongoing connections with your audience. Check out our other demos to see more ways SAP can help you understand your customers and respond to their behavior in real time to give them what they want when they want it.